Now let us find the next number in the series. We have 3, 16, 6, 12, 12, and 8. So what is the next in the series? Now with these given numbers. Now let's analyze this, hoping you can able to analyze it more faster para naman mas minimal lang ang yung time na magagamit natin dito for this item. So makikita natin at first we have 3 sinundan ng 16 and 6, 12, 12, 8. Now makikita natin dito na it is alternate, no? Alternate yung pag-i-increase niya. So, makikita natin dito, alternate siya from 3, 6, and 12. And makikita natin dito, minultiply lang yan by 2. Di ba? Minultiply yan by 2 para sa next alternate niya. So, from 3 times 2, we have 6. So, nakuha natin yung 6, di ba? Ito, 6. And then, si 6 na naman, times 2, that's 12. Kaya, naka-alternate siya. And then, yung next alternate dito is the next of the 8. So, tamang-tama na yung sa 12, i-multiply natin by 2. Which is, yung next dito is 24. Kaya, yung sagot dito ay letter D, 24. So, that's the answer. So, if you are going to ask kung ano ang next series after the 24, for example, dalawa yung hinahanap. So, alternate din dito, no? Makikita natin, naka-alternate din yung pag-decrease, no? So, kasi naka-alternate yung pag-decrease. From 16, makikita natin, naging 12, and then, naging 8, and then, next alternate na number. And makikita natin that this is only nag-decrease lang ng 4. Sorry. So, nag-decrease siya by 4. So, by 4 yung pag-decrease niya. 12 minus 8, that's 4. Tama, diba? So, you will subtract lang by 4 para mag-result. So, from 16 minus 4, so, naging 12. And then, si 12 minus 4, naging 8. So, 8 minus 4. So, yung sagot dito ay 4. So, the next series or the next numbers is, we have 24, di ba? So, the next number is 24 and then 4. Pero sa question na ito, ang hinahanap lang is isa, no? Isa lamang. So, the answer is 24. The next number is 24. Ganun lang po kadali. Thank you for watching.